Hi and welcome to Apache Spark series by Data Bytes. Today's topic of discussion is schema enforcement. So what is a schema enforcement? Schema enforcement is a core feature of a lakehouse which lets you define a data structure for a lakehouse table and make sure that the incoming data matches the defined structure. This prevents bad data from entering into the data pipeline and maintains the data quality and consistency of the entire lakehouse. This makes sure that the downstream systems like Power BI or any other reporting services are not disrupted by bad data getting into the lakehouse tables. So let's look at an example of what a schema enforcement is. So let's take this example of JSON data which has two columns, name and age. The name is of type string and age is of type int. So we define a lakehouse table with the same structure of a string and an int. So let's assume we are getting a data of this format where the name is of type string but the age is of type string as well. So we already defined that the age should be of int, so this is a bad data. If we let this data get into the table, this could break any of the underlying downstream systems or reporting services. So we need to make sure like such bad data doesn't get into our data pipeline. So to do that, that's where the schema enforcement comes into play. With the schema enforcement, you can decide how and how should you process these bad data. You could either drop the bad data, or like you could fail the entire data pipeline, or you can also quarantine these bad data into a separate error table and process these later. So a schema enforcement lets you decide how you want to deal with the bad data, and this way you're able to make sure that the lakehouse stays consistent and reliable. I hope you liked today's session. Thank you. The link of a detailed demo in schema enforcement will be in the description. Follow the channel for regular updates. Thank you.